Ever wondered how a price drop truly changes what you can afford and what you choose to buy? Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of the total effect and the income effect in economics, two crucial concepts that explain how price changes influence our decisions. First, let's break down the total effect. This is the overall change in the quantity of a good a consumer buys when its price changes. It's the sum of two distinct forces. Imagine a price change alters your real income, how much your money can actually buy. The income effect captures how this change in purchasing power, independent of the price adjustment itself, affects your consumption of a good. For example, if your favorite coffee's price drops, you can now buy the same amount of coffee and still have money left over for something else. Or you can buy more coffee. This extra purchasing power is a result of the price change, leading to the income effect. Now, the other part of the total effect is the substitution effect. This is the change in consumption due solely to a change in the relative prices of goods. When one good becomes cheaper, it's relatively more attractive than its substitutes, so you're tempted to switch to it. Think of it this way: if coffee gets cheaper, you might buy less tea and more coffee. Even if your overall ability to buy things hasn't changed significantly, you're substituting away from the now relatively more expensive tea. Crucially, the total effect is the sum of the substitution effect and the income effect. To calculate it, we first find the total change in quantity demanded, then isolate the substitution effect by imagining an intermediate price. Finally, the income effect is what's left over. Understanding these effects helps businesses predict demand and policymakers grasp how price changes impact consumer welfare. So, the next time a price changes, you'll know it's not just one thing happening, but a powerful interplay of substitution and income effects.